Hello, all you awesome people. Welcome to the ninth episode of Cafferati Studio. 9 weeks. We've been up for 9 weeks. Thank you for all the subscriptions and the follows and the shares and the likes. Please do comment. We have poetry for you again this week. It's fun. As you can see, I'm having tea in a coffee cup. That's what this year has been so far, and we're only almost 15 days into January. But poetry never disappoints. It gives us hope, it gives us belief in love and all other emotions. And we are happy to bring you new voices every time. So have a wonderful deco and tell us what you think. Cafferati Studio, episode 9.
Must an artist explain that the flower growing out of the tailbone of a subject is an ode to her origin? Or that it took her 3 months to mix up a pink that would alternately spell bleak and hope? Or that in the negative space between the petals, she once excavated a city of reasons that justified every act, right or wrong, so that when a butterfly emerged onto her canvas to befriend a flower, she was remorseless when she clapped it and entombed it in a jar of arguments? Must she explain that the kineticism in the object she paints, some about to lift off, some about to fall, is because she believes no life is still? Or that she painted the egg inside the cage because that's where the bird would end up anyway? Or that when the jug tips over, the water would not wet the canvas because one or both of them is an illusion? Or that no matter what you or I might say, she believes that the laws of physics are no match with the laws of imagination? Must she move her fingers over a baby and say, "This is why I made her"?
हर दिन दफ्तर के बाद ऑटो लेकर पहुंचती थी अपनी बिल्डिंग पर। जीना चढ़कर रास्ते में ही था मेरे एक दोस्त का घर, और हर दिन मेरे घर से पहले का पड़ाव था मेरे दोस्त का घर। चाय तो पियोगी ही, पूछते पूछते ही भगोना चढ़ा देता था वो गैस पर, और फिर चलता था गप्पों का सिलसिला, ठहाकों की एक्सप्रेस। फिल्मों के गीत, किसी का मनप्रीत, क्लासिकल संगीत सभी होते थे डिस्कस। लाइफ के फंडे, नीचे दुकान के अंडे, हर तरह का ज्ञान, थोड़ी फिलॉसफी, थोड़ा विज्ञान। और फिर शहर बदला, देश बदला, बदल गए दोस्त भी। ठहाकों की जगह इमोजी ने ले ली और बन गई सोशल मीडिया इमेज भी। फिर जब थोड़ा इधर उधर देखा तो पता चला जायका तो पूरी दुनिया का ही बदल गया। सब कुछ ही है अब फीका। टेक्स्ट बन गया है डिफॉल्ट बात करने का तरीका, अब चाहे वो इंडिया हो या अमेरिका। इस फास्ट ट्रैक दुनिया में भी सुकून के कुछ पल बचाए हैं। फ्रोजन फूड, कैंड जूस, टी बैग्स के ज़माने में मैंने मसाला चाय के साथ गरम पराठे ही खाए हैं। सलेटी सी जिंदगी ने रंगीन ख्वाब सजाए हैं।
When I meet you, I want to feel like the calm of the breeze, slow yet moving, moving yet happy, seeing the flowers dance. When I meet you, I want to feel like the last leaf on the tree, about to fall yet hanging there, just waiting to see you, feel you, and then falling down from happiness, about to get a new life. When I meet you, I want to feel like the picture is cotton, because I know I feel beautiful with you. I feel the exact amount of sunshine I should feel, the exact breeze I should feel, the exact orange tinge of the sky I should see, for I feel perfect. When I meet you, I want to feel like the first rays of the sun. The first ray that hits the blue ocean to give it warmth. The first ray that erases all the darkness, brings new hope in life. For you give me the warmth and the hope I need. When I meet you, I want to feel translucent, a little faded, because I want to hide my stupid smiling face when I first see you. I don't want to share that moment with anyone. For that sole moment defines me, defines us. I don't want to care about how stupid I look, because I want to smile with all my muscles, with every drop of my blood. I want to feel the butterflies that every second of my smile would make me feel. When I meet you, I want time to slow down so that I can hug you longer, see you smile longer, hold your hand forever. I want time to slow down so that I can count every second with you. Because counting years might seem less of a time. When I meet you, I want to hide and see you walking down the slope with a smile, knowing that that smile is for me. That dopamine rush in your body is for me, knowing that your time will be mine, knowing that you will be mine. When I meet you, I don't want to look on the road. I want to look at you and walk. You can be my eyes and save me from danger like you would always. I want to look at you and walk so that I can smile at you, even when you're not seeing me, so that I can smile to myself, seeing you hold my hand, knowing you are there for me. When I meet you, I want the world to freeze, so I can just see you moving in there. You know, like the moving keys of a frozen piano? But that produces a heavenly music. The rustling of leaves when you walk on them, the sound of you inhaling the very air I breathe in every day, you smiling at the same kittens I see every day. When I meet you, I want to feel like the letting go autumn. I want to leave your embrace only if you promise I'll feel that more often. I want to feel beautifully saying a goodbye, because I know you will return for a more perfect cause. I don't want to feel sad saying that goodbye, because I know you leave a part of you with me and you take away my soul with you.